personal questions maybe?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Actually, why are you so fond of this creature and what is this?
Creature.
Like you
Oh,
haven't heard anything about
you don't know anything about her, right? She is our mother goddess Kali. Do you know about the seven goddesses?
So actually, I didn't heard about it.
Yeah, so feminine energy wasn't floating in the air. Seven goddess were there, and Mother Goddess Kali was there. She was fearless. She was calling the shots. And there's a story I think that you don't know. There was one demon called Rakta Beach. Mother Goddess Kali killed him. She slayed him. Once Raktabij tried to turn every other god from the heaven, and they were helpless. They were clueless. They were not getting anything. Like what should they do? What is there and what's not? That's why they were defeated. They fought, but they defeated. And what is the story of Raktabij? Raktabij is somebody whose blood, whenever one drop of blood hit the dirt, he was like he was being born. Like thousands, yeah, one drop of blood. Yeah. The thing is, when the gods tried to struck him down, and see, soon the drop of blood hit the dirt, it was the carbon copies were born. So the more they fought, the worse that situation got.
Strange.
Yeah. And do you want to know what happened afterwards? Being clueless, all the gods went to knock on Mother Parvati's door, the Adi Shakti. You know about her, right? You know her story, I told you.
Yes.
Yeah. So,
Last night.
so what happened? So what happened when she was the mother of the universe? She was the mother of all the gods, all the goddesses. So she was not there to twiddle her thumbs. What did she do? She turned the whole situation. She switched it and she morphed into Mother Goddess Kali. She was a calm, sweet mother. But when she got angry, she morphed into Mother Goddess Kali and slayed Raktabij. And definitely, she drank his blood dry. So, no blood, no Raktabij, end of story. She nailed him short. She nailed the whole story short. So, that is why I worship her. Like, she is the goddess of the whole universe. She can do anything. She can stop time.
For me, it's you.
Thank you. Where's your dad, by the way?
I don't know.
Yeah, he's again late, I guess.
What's your mother? She is chewing the fat
Actually,
today.
he was listening the story of Mother Goddess Kali, and
Yeah.
I think
And
she's
to let you know, her
Yes.
summer vacations are going to start.
Yeah, that I know. I'm just planning to do something for that. I don't know what's going on in your mind.
I have some plans.
Let's
Can
go
I
to
share?
Shimla or somewhere.
Shimla,
No,
cozy vibes, killer looks.
I have my entire life to go there, but
Yeah.
I want to visit my mother's hometown because I'm growing and I want to feel that village,
That place is a little bit,
We can do one thing. We can head to a foreign trip. That will be better.
Yeah,
I want to visit
that should
Chandrapur
be- that is better.
Chandrapur is really old, like your dad.
Yes, but I haven't seen in movies. The villages are really good. I want to visit Chandrapur.
What you will do there, the backup beyond.
But there
Nothing
are
to
many-
see, nothing to
there are
witness
many
over there.
birds and the natural beauty that try to understand. I've seen it.
Yeah, Shimla is there.
You will
But
go and
Spiti
watch
is
some
there,
goats and
Himachal
cows
is
over
there.
there.
But it's too expensive. We need to.
Yeah. So what do you think? Your dad can't be here?
Yeah, I know he will there, but I need
Yeah,
to
I
feel.
told you now.
But I want to
Go
go
to
to
Chandrapur.
Yes,
No.
I can, Mom. I want to feel that village because in my life, I haven't yet seen village.
So see, for you, she's wrecking your brain now.
Please
Now,
don't
what
tell
I'll
my
make her
mom.
understand.
Thousands of times I have told her. See, the thing is, in the village,
But I
there is no
haven't-
internet connection. You won't get your
So
pad, you
See,
won't
girl,
get anything.
you're my
See,
daughter. So you need to have a
But
plush
I
life.
want to go to Chandrapur.
I have a lot of
understand.
gosh, why would
Why
you
should I
smash on
always
it?
need to accept your opinion? Why don't you accept my opinion as well?
She's not listening to me. For you only.
me,
Yes.
thousands of times I have told her.
I have not been here
I
for a
want
long
to meet
time.
my
I just
father's
came
relatives as
and
well. I haven't
requested
seen them
her
in my
to go
entire life.
somewhere.
I
And
told
she
her
wants to go some rural places,
I told
some
her
kind
to
of
go abroad.
battlefields.
I told her to go abroad as well. She's not listening. Is that my fault?
No, it's my
Please take
fault.
me to
Yeah, Chandrapur is your hometown. You have put us in this doldrums.
But you know, I always try to shun away from kind of place like this. I don't want to go there. I don't want to put my feet over there. And you're
No,
just
but
dragging me.
She's already 12. She needs to know. She needs to know the story.
She's a kid now. I cannot
So now-
say elaborate story in front of her, which is a little bit, which is very spooky rather. I cannot do
Hey,
that.
no, the story. What's that?
Nothing. Yeah.
Okay. No such
We
story,
can't
it
go
was
to
just,
Chandrapur, okay?
No, Mom, I have to go to Chandrapur. I want
No
to visit. I want to
facilities
see
are there.
No, I don't need
You will go
facilities.
to
We
get
are going
bored.
for a vacation, right? Then why we need internet? Why we need to connect to people? We are on a vacation, right?
she wants to connect herself to the people. Why not? See, nowadays
Your
the
daughter-
generation
Your daughter,
can't just make her understand. I'm just
Please.
losing my cool right now.
My vacation is starting in 2 days, so I want to visit Chandrapur, do whatever you want
No,
and arrange
see.
the trip.
this is full and final. You can't go.
No, we have to go. Try to understand the
So the litter was in the litter box. What's that?
what's that?
I don't know. Some letters from your dad's business. I don't know.
But why he said ignoring them? It's for the world to ignore.
What's wrong?
Okay, yes, she wants to go to Chandrapur, so let's.
So we are going to Chandrapur.
Like this? In your whole life. In your whole life, you decided that you will not return. Ever.
As she's crying right now,
Yeah, I
she's
know
a
my
kid.
dad
I need to
listens
listen
what
to
I
her, right? So I always fulfill her desires, whatever she needs, and I have to do that.
Can you please go in your room?
Yes, I've got the best parents.
Yes. We'll go cut a rock and just, sing a poppy number. What's wrong with this?
You know your family story, the history behind your past.
That's a story.
That, is that a
And-
story? Then why are you
And
hiding her?
that was something happened in the past.
Yeah,
So let it be.
you are behaving so strange. Like you were the one who used to hide your daughter from your family, that village, and now you want to go there by your own?
See, I'm not interested in some kind of ramshammy with you right now. I don't need any skirmish. I came from a long journey.
So we are going there, right?
Yes, eventually we'll go there. So what's wrong with it? I accepted her offer, what she was crying for. Now I have to beg in front of you to go there? Come on, hon. It's our place. We'll go there. We'll enjoy. We will run home, yes. That's a vacation. Let's enjoy our vacation. Don't worry about some painy empty stuff.
You were the one who was worried till now, and now you are just changed. Like
Come on, don't have your heart in your mouth.
she's my daughter. I need to protect her.
If anything happens to you, I am there. Alright? You're my family. Do you think anything I will let it happen to you when I will be there? So why are you worried about?
Most of the time you are just busy with your business, your work, and you don't even cast a glance at what is going on.
Okay. This time I will.
I am the one who is doing all these things. That is why I'm worried that you are not there. You're never there.
Don't be worried. I'll be there. I'll take care of everything. Don't worry.
Okay, then let's pack our bags and head towards Chandrapur.
Yes. Let's get our destination. Don't worry.